Hi, and welcome to Useless Reviews. Modern mechanical keyboards come in a variety of sizes and styles to fit even the most picky golden finger that can't find the clitoris. The most popular kinds of switch were patented by Cherry, the MX series, and while there are more switches that are based on the same principle and excel in other departments, those were the chosen ones to be copied and redesigned by many other companies. Mechanical switches and therefore keyboards are usually chosen because of the feel and durability. Since most of the parts are metal, they are less prone to break with normal use,
Inside a long run.
get affected by environment, or just disintegrate. The feeling is more consistent in time and lighter to press, which makes it easier to type for longer periods of time and not get fatigued or even hurt with things like tendonitis. I'm a fan of clicky switches. I love the sound and how they feel, even if the ductility is barely noticeable in general use. But not all clicky switches are created equal. I have keyboards that, while it had sound and had some feedback, they were nothing compared to my newer or other keyboards I tried, and some are even more clicky than my newer keyboard. Gamers usually don't like clicky switches because they feel it makes their response lower, but just accept the fact that you don't have taste and you are bad. Please. Linear switches are weird, and even though this sounded stupid to me at first, until I've experienced it, if they are not well lubed, they are very scratchy, and yes, you can feel that. Tactile switches that are not clicky are just don't. Please don't. You also have mouse switches, but it's weird to find one that's so bad, so yeah, they exist. I have tried the famous buckling spring from some of the IBM keyboards, and even though those are membrane switches, the spring feels awesome, like... Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more of these creations, and follow me on my social medias in the description for behind the scenes and stuff.